So now we are recording. God, it took me a minute to get this thing going. Okay, we're at 100 Islands. We're getting ready to get on the boat and head over to the islands and see what's going on. They're all waiting for us, aren't they?
Yeah, waiting.
All right. So anyways, we are here at our boat getting ready to head over. So we'll see you in a few here. All right.
We're going up to the pilgrimage.
We are what? Pigrimage Island?
Yeah.
This is the island that has Jesus Christ up on top of it, raising his arms. And we are on our way to go see. Look at this.
Look at that.
Nina and Susan doing TikTok. How about that? All right, anyways, we're gonna march up to the top of the island here. Yeah, we did this a few years ago, and let me tell you, bring your water if you're gonna do this, because you will need it. I remember 3 years ago, it was about this temperature. It was hotter than the dickens, and we sucked down water like it was going out of style. So just take it slow.
Yeah.
Take your time.
God will pull you up.
Last time I wore shoes, I didn't wear flip-flops.
Rubber shoes, but not.
Oh, let me tell you, it'll suck the wind out of you. It's beautiful up here. She's here. Where is she? Okay. Yeah, it's a heck of a haul. Doesn't take long to get up here, but it is steep.
At least I reach you.
I know, Susan. You're an animal. You're a beast. And we made it.
Thank you, Lord.
We have reached the top. Wasn't too bad, but I haven't exercised in over a month, so I'm definitely feeling it. Slide past real fast. Excuse me.
Kaya nakatalikod lang po ako. Parang dito na. Alibawa ganito ako agad. Sige na, doon ka na. Baba ka na doon.
The descent.
Baba ka muna. Okay.
We're still on Pigrimage Island, working our way down from the Jesus Christ statue. Yeah, I like this way much better. Shadier. Yep. St. Clair.
St. Clair. Bubaba ka dyan.
St. Clair what?
St. Clair Garden.
Yeah, we were down here before. Yep. This is definitely one of the coolest islands out here, I think. Last time I was here a few years ago, this is the island we kind of spent the most time exploring. Because the trails are kind of long, and then there's a lot of little statues and things like that, artifacts along the way.
The tree.
Oh, watch that step. So we are heading back down. We're just up in the top looking at the statue of Jesus. Now we're kind of inching our way down. Everybody seems to be going at different paces, at a different pace. Susan up there, she's moving pretty fast. I'm kind of intermediate, I guess you could say. And then the rest, they're picking up the rear. Let's check the view so far. What do we got here? Yeah, this is a cool view right here. I like this.
This is the one that where I took your head only and like a dildo float.
Yeah. Oh, you're crazy. A dildo head. Up and down and all around.
Sige manang, diretso ka lang.
See, come out to 100 Islands, and this is what you get to look forward to. Bring your water, and bring your appetite for exercise, as you get plenty of the latter. Bring plenty of water also. You'll need it. You sweat your butt off out here, especially in this heat. Oh, and also for you white-skinned dudes like me and dudettes, bring your sunscreen. Filipinos don't need to worry about it. We do. Hello. Susan is out there somewhere. Okay, where we got here? Oh yeah. Okay, we're back at the starting point. We have completed the circle around this island. Boy, that was quite the workout. Good stuff though.